Running up a check, I gotta get my bands up. $1,000 belt, that's just to keep my pants up. We gon' hit them with it till they understand us. All we know is money, we don't understand much. I've been in the game, I pay my dues. When I'm in my bag, I cannot lose. It ain't where you started, dog, it's where you end up. I got in position, then I brought my friends up. 2017, my mama need that Benz truck. If you need a feature, I'ma need like 10 plus. I remember days when I ain't have 10 bucks. Women buy the tools on me like 10 bucks. $1,000 shoes on me, I be dripped up. Mojo make a choose on me with no pimp cup. I be doing shows, girl, I be having goals for real. Did it on my own while other people chose a deal. Sitting on my throne, I feel it in my soul for real. My grill got diamonds, make me chill. No mistake why I'm here. Tell my driver take me there, yeah. Running up a check, I gotta get my bands up. $1,000 belt, that's just to keep my pants up. We gon' hit them with it till they understand us. All we know is money, we don't understand much. I've been in
Yo! A car hauling a trailer. Those are my favorite. Should put a gooseneck on there and put it through the back windshield, boy. Hi, what is going on, guys? We got a brand new wheel. Don't mind me, I'm just shining it up. Anyways, guys, this here is our new wheel and tire. It's so exciting. This here is the tire, the rubbery part. This hard part, this metal part, is called the wheel, or the rim, if you will. And it's got nice etched out letters in there, and they spell words. Let's take a closer look, shall we? Man, would you look at this booger? That is absolutely crazy. The TIS Off-Road, you guys already know. We love TIS, big fans of them. And the tires here are the Gladiator Xcomp tire, 35 inch. You know it's new, we got the sticker right on there. 35, 12.5, 22 LT. And look at the meat on them graphs, boy. That stuff is way too hot. Looks absolutely incredible. So now the only thing left to do is figure out what are we gonna do with this wheel. But we'll get to that. I just want to shout out all the new subscribers. I haven't put you guys on the screen for a while, but if you are new, welcome. Thank you guys so much. If you haven't been here before, please try to stick around. We like to have lots of fun, different content on the channel all the time. Today might be something a little bit different, but we're gonna try to figure out what we're gonna do with this wheel. You probably already know, it's pretty obvious. If not, you probably should figure it out. But on a serious note, we do need to figure out how we're gonna pay for this tire. The best way to pay for new car and truck parts on the channel is to use the channel revenue. So first, let's check out to see how we're doing this month. Aw, crap, that ain't gonna work. So, I guess we're gonna have to sell something. So now what I wanna do is sell the other 5 Jeep wheels for this one wheel and maybe make our money back. I don't know. Almost $900 a wheel is super expensive. I'll have to look at the comps, you know, see what these things are going for. No pun intended on the Xcomp. But anyways, we're gonna try to make some money back. Let's go. Hold on a minute. Did those things light up? What is going on? Are them Boost Auto, boy? Look at them boards riding up, boy. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is it. The 2018 JL Jeep Wrangler Sahara. We got these big 35, but you know we did cheap out on the spare tire initially, and then I reached back out to Custom Offsets and said, you know what? I think we messed up. You guys pointed out in the comments too, as you do. This thing should go, but we did want to save some money for a while. Now that we got a little bit extra, we're going to go ahead and purchase that booger and try to get it on here. I don't know if it's going to fit in the original mount or not, or if we're going to have to get one of them aftermarket ones. I've seen mixed reviews in the comments, but first things first, we want to get this off, advertise the other 5, get them listed for sale. So if you do want them, holla at your boy. If not, somebody else will buy them. We'll keep on moving. So we got that dumb sucker off, and now we kind of have this stanced up. This thing weighs 1,000,000 more pounds than the other one. Hopefully it lines up here. I tried to measure down from the bottom bolt to the bumper there to see if it was going to clear. It might clear, like I said, mixed reviews on the forums, or if we got to get a relocation bracket for this thing. Also, I tried to take these loose and raise this up. It did not like that at all. These are slotted, so it did not want to budge. So I don't know if this is going to work either. Probably going to end up buying something, I'll be honest. But I am going to need help moving this thing up because I am way too weak to lift that booger. Imagine what this would look like on this truck. That would be absolutely ridiculous. 35s, way too big though. Probably need 33s, honestly. We just got to get rid of these freaking tires right here. I do have a company interested in wheels, so we do have a wheel sponsor that is interested. But if you guys know or are a tire company and want to sponsor a video, let me know. Maybe we can do a little collab, something like that. Get on this old gal here with some new rims and tires. That'd be sick. Gotta watch them golf carts over here. This thing was popping, boy. Had some fireworks coming out the back. Send it, boy. No, he didn't send it, boy. And we're switching gears real quick, heading over to Lowe's for Pros. Different project now. Gonna get back to the HSP traction bars. If you guys didn't see that video, go back. But if you noticed on the left-hand side, we only have one bolt holding that sucker on. So we want to get a couple self-tappers to come up from the bottom. Try to buy the biggest one they got and maybe use a washer if we need to. But just something a little bit more secure to hold both of these suckers on. But let's get in there and see if they got anything we can use. And maybe this project will go a little bit smoother. But we're just out cruising. Christmas shopping, spending time with the dog, with the boy, and then we're gonna go back home with mama and just have a great family night. So anyway, guys, let's get into Lowe's here and see if they got what we need. I spy with my little eye an F-150 crap. All right, and we are back. Got a nice warm place to work here now, and it comes with a pinball machine. That's even better. Nice warm bathroom attached to the garage here, but we got some goodies here from Lowe's, some washers, some drill bits here, some self-tappers, and we're gonna try maybe to get this frame a little bit better. Just wanna be able to put a couple self-tappers in the bottom of this thing here to help hold these on. So anyways, yeah, we're kinda all over the place today, but that's okay. These videos are fun too. Doesn't always have to be just one thing. We're just kinda bouncing around from project to project, so enjoy the rest of the video. A place to like live your life a little easier, but those places just don't exist, do they? Okay, so we have been making progress. We successfully got one of the self-tappers on underneath there. See that booger? Okay, so that should hold that for now. The handy dandy $50 drill came in handy, and then under there. But anyways, it is nice to get a little progress done. Now I feel a little bit better, not completely, but they are tighter. More work to come on that in the future. Okay, now we have to get that spare tire out of here and line it up with the others. That way we can make a nice little flyer. There it is, look at her. And then we gotta go meet up with the other ones. Obviously they're in here because we can't store them at our house. There's no room, so we gotta get in Dad's shop here and get these pictures taken. Let's go. And look at that right there, boy, that F-150. You know how I feel about them boys. Look at it coming apart at the seams like they always do. But boy, they love talking all that crap in the Midwest. Them are the best trucks. Let them tell it though. I won't tell it. But gee whiz, them F-150s. And voila, look at them. All 5 Jeepers. Official Jeep JL Wrangler wheels. All 5 of them. I'll make a heck of a deal. I'll trade you guys all 5 for the one I got. Somebody come buy these 5. Want to get rid of them. We will get them listed here. One obviously looks a little bit newer than the others, but still got plenty of tread on them. They'll treat somebody nice. Bridgestone or bust, buddy. Just like that, we have a full-size spare. Look at that. That sucker is on there real good. I don't know if the rear camera, if you're still going to be able to see out of it or not. And the third brake light just barely clears. We'll try this for now. Maybe we'll get the relocation bracket eventually because these bump stops do not reach now either. And It squeaks a little bit at the bottom, but that's okay. Give her a good heavy close and she'll go. But anyways, at least it's on there. Looks a lot better than before, so progress, people. Give us a little credit. Progress. I broke down up here, boy. What we got here? Gotta give him a little room there, boy. Couple little cars there, little Chevy boys. Look at Pop's work truck. What is going on? He must have had this sucker buried out there. That is awesome, though. Go out there and get it. You got to. Anywho, guys, I hope you guys really enjoyed today. I had a lot of fun. I want you to come back again. So you hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. That keeps me going. We'll see you guys in the next one.